So just exfoliate, and I'm being generous with it just so you guys could see it on the skin. So just exfoliate the skin, circular motion. Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today is a wonderful facial scrub. This is an anti-aging facial scrub. This is going to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines and sagging skin. Now the wonderful thing about this scrub is that if you have rough, dry looking skin, this is an amazing scrub for you. This is not only going to get rid of the wrinkles, but it's also going to shrink those pores. It's going to clean the dead skin cells from the surface of the skin, clean those pores out, and after cleaning, those are going to shrink, and before you know it, you're on your way to bright, beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. So if you're interested in today's video, come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up in no time. Our first ingredient is rice, and I'm using white rice. Use whatever rice you have, and rice has been used for centuries in skincare. Rice is going to help to tighten and firm the skin. It's going to brighten that skin, and it's going to leave your skin soft and supple. You can choose to use the rice, or you can choose to use rice water on the skin. Now rice is loaded with antioxidant that is great for your skin. Now if you use rice on a regular, it definitely will help your skin to look younger, fresher, brighter, and radiant. Our next ingredient is baking soda, and baking soda is a great exfoliator for the skin. It will help to get rid of the spots, the blemishes. It will clean those pores out and help to shrink them. It will also get rid of acne. It will get rid of the dead skin cell, and it leave your skin just soft, supple, and clean looking. Our next ingredient is green tea, and I'm using a tea bag. If you have loose leaf, go ahead and use that. Green tea is loaded with antioxidant, vitamins, and minerals that is great for the skin. It is a perfect anti-aging ingredient. It's going to help to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, and it's also going to help to lift and firm the skin when mixed with the other ingredient. Our final ingredient is coconut oil, and choose the coconut oil of your choice. Now coconut oil is very moisturizing to the skin. Coconut oil will also help to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. Now when mixed with the other ingredient, coconut oil is going to have your skin also looking clean, clear, soft, supple, and just fresh and young looking. Now the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare the rice by blending. So you're going to blend this to a powder. And here we have our blended rice. And take a look at it. This is how you need it to be, to a powder, okay? So now that we have all the ingredients ready, we're going to put them together. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use my tea bag. And I'm using the entire tea bag, which is about 1 teaspoonful. If you do not have green tea, you can also choose to use white tea. Next, I'm moving on to our rice, and I'm using a tablespoon of blended rice, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and now we're going to mix the dry ingredient together. Make sure to get rid of any lump that the baking soda might have. So just mix well. And as you can see, the baking soda tend to get a little lumpy at times. So just break the lumps up. Let me use a spoon to do this one. And this is now good. This is exactly how you need it to look. Take a look at it. This is how you need the mixture to look. Now once we have all the dry ingredients blended together, we're now going to move on to adding our coconut oil. So I'm using about a tablespoon of coconut oil. If you're using the liquid, use 2 tablespoons. And now we're going to slowly mash this in the dry ingredient. You are not going to add any water to this, okay? It's going to look a little dry when you just started. Take your time. It's going to melt nicely, okay? So just blend. And you do not need more coconut oil. This is just fine. Just be patient, okay? And as you can see, this is coming nicely along. It's actually wonderful. Now this is one scrub that you could make and keep for a while. You can keep this scrub up to a month. There's actually nothing in this scrub that is going to spoil fast. You can choose to keep it in the refrigerator, or you can choose to keep it on your countertop. And now the scrub is ready. Take a look at it up close and let's test it. This is how you want it to be. Very soft, very nice. A perfect facial scrub. So next I'm going to go on the other side and I'm going to show you how to use this wonderful facial scrub on your skin for best result. So here we have our coconut, baking soda, green tea scrub. And we're just going to mix this up. And this amount can last you about 3 to 4 times, okay? Because a little goes a long way. So you want to mix just before you use. And this actually gets better with age, because once you put this down, the green tea is going to infuse in the other ingredient. And it's going to be more potent, okay? Now before you apply this facial scrub, remember that you need to start with clean skin. So you're just going to wash your face, just get rid of any form of a makeup that you might be wearing, and then you are ready to exfoliate the face. You're going to take a little bit in your hands, not a lot, and you're just going to rub it in the hands like this, and the oil is going to melt. Okay, you're warming it up, okay? And once it is warmed, you're going to use it to exfoliate the skin. I'm going to use it on just a half a side of my face today. So just exfoliate. And I'm being generous with it just so you guys could see it on the skin. So just exfoliate the skin. Circular motion. Don't forget the nose. Now this exfoliator is actually good not only for your face, but is also great for the neck and décolleté area. You can basically use this on your entire body. I personally like to use it to exfoliate my hands also. If your hands are looking old and rough and need a pick-me-up, use this to exfoliate your hands. Now after you exfoliate with this exfoliator, I would suggest that you sit with it on the skin for a couple of minutes, probably about 5 to 10 minutes, and let it just soak in the skin. Now after that, you're going to rinse off with some warm water. After rinsing, you're going to pat dry, and then you're going to move on to the next step, which is to apply your favorite facial toner, your favorite serum, or your favorite moisturizer. Now continue to use this facial scrub at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. Now play around with the base ingredient. Now I use green tea. You can choose to use some avocado. You can choose to use some papaya in this. Just mix the ingredient with other stuff and apply it in your skin, and you're going to be amazed at the wonderful result you get from using this facial scrub. Okay, so continue to use it as I said before. 2 to 3 times per week, and you're on your way to bright, clear, radiant glowing looking. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comments. And if this was the first time watching, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.